how to sell on Depop for beginners, Depop seller account. So if you are a beginner and then you want to sell on Depop, the first and foremost thing is to actually create a seller account. So all you have to do is go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, simply search in the browser Depop sell or seller account. And as you do that, you'll find the first link from Depop, which is to start selling. So just go to that first link. I will also make sure to drop a link in the description box. Now, if you want to download the app, that's perfectly fine. Otherwise, you can just tap on the sign up option right from the top right hand side. Once done, you can continue with your Google account or your Apple ID if that is the case for you, if you want to do that. But you can also just tap on the continue with email option, where all you have to do is make sure to enter your first name, your last name. It could be your name or your business name or email, just depending upon what you want to do, because this is a seller account that we are trying to create. Choose a password and tap on next option. It might ask you to verify the email, and after this it will also ask you to enter your couple of shop information. And once you've done that, your seller account on Depop will get successfully created and you will be able to sell on Depop seller. This way you will be able to sell on Depop for beginners. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.